Hey everyone, the numbers are in for the Panama City Beach Gulf Front market for 2024. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. In this video, I want to look at the market, only the Gulf Front detached single family and attached uh, market, townhouses, no condos. So we'll go through what happened in the market in 2024, where things may be headed in 2025, and also touch base on this e-alert system that I think a lot of you are already signed up for. When I looked at the numbers last year, I was excited to see that again. No other single real estate agent, or even real estate team sold more resale real estate in Panama City Beach than the Duran Group. It was like that in 2023, plenty of times in the past. I'm not so proud of that fact from the sheer volume of the business, but more so that I've been doing this for 22 years and appreciate still that we still have a lot of people that trust us to help them navigate their real estate story, so to speak. It's been a tricky market. So thank you, those of you watching that have done business with us in the past or are doing business with us currently. Again, thank you very much. So a couple things. Let me show you, first of all, the spring market. Everyone is familiar with this, maybe the idea of it. Let me show you what it looks like. This is a company called Showing Time that a lot of real estate agents and brokers use to schedule an actual showing appointment. Not surprising if you track this from the beginning of the year, almost every week that goes by until about early March, we see a little more showing activity. So buyers getting out of the holidays, getting back to work, back to doing business, and we see a little more activity week over week over week. And it peaks early March through about Memorial Day. You see this fall off at Memorial Day. It trickles down from there, falls off again around the 4th of July, continues to slide, falls off Labor Day, continues to slide, falls off Thanksgiving, and then the holidays. A couple things about this. If we're going to peak in activity for the year, granted, we write contracts all year long, but the most showing activity will happen or we think will happen in that time period. So if you're a seller, it's really important to be positioned as soon as you can to take advantage of that. Buyers, you've been able to be a little bit patient for the last year or so. Just know that as you get into the spring market, you're competing with more buyers for the same things. So as you make your short list, other buyers are making their short lists also. Things will get a little bit competitive, more competitive now through Memorial Day or so. That's the spring market. That's where we always see a vast majority of contracts being written. That's what it looks like. If we go through sales, and I have this organized chronologically, Gulf Front sales last year. This sold at March, 6.2 million, 6,300 square feet, West End in March. 1,600 square foot townhome, 930,000. Another one over on Surf Drive, 945. This is Gulf Front. Yeah, 1.488 for a 1994 build, 2,100 square feet. Another attached unit, 740. Unit in Beachside sold for 1,465. One in the Shores for $1,030,000. Gulf Front back built in 1982, a little smaller, 2.15 sale. Margaritaville cottages sold for 3.8 up on the water, down by Long Beach. This is one of the attached units down there, 909. Another one at Lullwater sold 3,500 square feet, newer build for 4.4. Sale in Beachside West for 1.2 million. Another sale over on the Gulf for 2.575. Beachside East now for 1.14. 5 million down on the West End, 2.575 over on Gulf Drive. And then last one of the year, actually, I worked on this one, 3.23 back down on the West End. If you want to see that in electronic format, just shoot me a text to 850-290-0417, and I can send you that link that lets you click on all of the photos and the details of each one of those sales if you're curious to see how it compares and do a little your own research. Another way, another excellent way to stay on top of the Gulffront market is with our e-alert system. Anytime a unit comes up for sale, changes price, or sells, you'll receive an email, and we can put this as little as set it up for as little as once per month, or if you want it every time something happens, we can do that too. It's the most accurate way in 22 years of selling real estate that I have seen to keep up with the market. It'll show you anything that's for sale. This is I don't know if you heard about this. This seller is offering, if you don't do $400,000 in rental revenue in the first calendar year, it will guarantee it will pay you $50,000. This is incredible offer there. But we'll show you all of the active pricing when there's an open house, when again prices change and sells, and you can click on each one of those little tiles and see the details, the specs, the photos. It's a great way to keep up with the market. We are expecting a little more activity. The higher end market picked up a little bit later in the year last year. In fact, if we go by, let's see if I can show you these dates. The first sale didn't happen until March. And then still not most of the sales, half the sales happened August throughout the rest of the year. And the bigger ones happened later in the year. 3.8, 4.4, 2.5, 5, and 3.23 all happened from August on. So it feels like there's a little more momentum on the upper end of the Gulffront market. If you want to stay up to date and current, like I talked about, shoot me a text to 850-290-0417, and I'll sign you up for that e-alert system. Thanks for watching.